birds. Go birds. Birds. So we ready to go?
Yes.
I'd like to welcome you all aboard the Horseless Carriage. You ask that you please remain sitting down. Supervise children, so you two keep an eye on him, make sure he behaves. And you keep an eye on this one, and you keep an eye on that one, making sure they both behave. Keeping your hands, arms, legs, feet inside the vehicle. We will do incredible speeds of nearly
2 miles an hour.
3 to 5 miles per hour. But don't worry, not all the rides are going to go this fast. Now, if I start going a bit fast and you're getting scared, let me know. I won't do anything, I just like to know. This is 2026. That's what year it is. Oh, you mean the car? It's patterned after a 1910, 1950 automobile. She came online May 12th of 1956, so she's 70 years old. She's the oldest motorized car on Main Street. Right there. Well, here we go, folks. Watch your step. Have fun today. If you have too much fun, don't get caught.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Thank you for sliding. That keeps my cushions clean. Enjoy your day now.